Hello students, here we are with another important question on the topic of vectors, and there is a figure we can see also here. So let's start solving this important question. And the question says, in the diagram, O is the origin. Yes, this O is the origin. OA is small a, vector OA is equal to the position vector OA is equal to the position vector OA is equal to small a, and the position vector OB is equal to small b. The point M lies on AB such that AM is equal to MB is equal to 3:2. Here 3 for AM and MB for 2. So AM ratio MB respectively equal to 3:2. Find in terms of A and B in its simplest form the vector AB. So let's start solving this. So yes, how can we write the vector AB in terms of the other components? Let's see here in the figure, where is AB? Here is AB, AB, and what does it says? Here we are also given that AB OA is equal to A and OB is equal to B, and we know that we can write a vector AB, position vector AB, in the form OB minus OA, minus OA. So now put the values, because we are given the values. OB is equal to B and minus OA is equal to A. So that was the requirement of the question, and that is this is the answer, because we have written this AB in terms of A and B in its simplest form. The other parts will be solved in the next video. Stay tuned. Thank you.